Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale 2022 is now live for the Prime users. OnePlus has launched the new OnePlus 10R Prime Blue Edition. It features a 6.7-inch fluid OLED IRIS display with a 120Hz refresh rate and offers a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The OnePlus 10R houses a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2-megapixel macro lens and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for making video calls and clicking selfies. It also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The 5G handset is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max chipset topped with Arm Mali-G610 GPU. This smartphone packs 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The device gets a 4500 mAh battery and supports 80W super fast charging. The OnePlus 10R 5G Prime Blue Edition comes with a price tag at 29,499 rupees along with exclusive discount offers on Amazon.